Okay folks, we're going to do a quick little test here on radiation inside of a car. We're going to look at AM, FM, XM satellite radio, and Bluetooth, which is basically Wi-Fi inside of a car. And I also have an iPod here that's my daughter's iPod. We're going to throw that into the mix too in just a minute so you can see the different ways that it will be affecting us as human beings, which of course we are electrical beings. So right now I've got the stereo on AM, and if you don't believe me,
you know, because
there's the audio for it. And this is my meter. It's an Acousticom 2 from EMF Fields, and let me switch it on so we can hear the actual feedback from the tester itself. Okay, so again, this is the AM radio inside the car here. It's sort of in the yellow range. Not too bad. Now let's switch sources. Go to FM. And you can see it's basically the same. We're in FM radio now. Okay, and now we're going to switch to XM radio. You can see that it's basically the same between AM, FM, and XM. Not much difference. Now, let's switch on the Bluetooth and see what happens. Just instantly off the charts. Now, keep in mind that no audio player is connected. So that was just me switching it on. So now what I want to do is enable this little iPod. Let's power it on. It's not on right now. Let's power it on. And let's listen to the way the tester behaves. So we're going to power it on. I had to switch it off because it was messing with the measurements I was trying to take. It's still booting up. Bear with me here. And let's switch on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Here's the Wi-Fi. All I did was switch on the Wi-Fi connectivity on this iPod. Now, we'll leave the Wi-Fi on, and let's switch over to Bluetooth. We'll switch that on as well. You can tell, I mean, the alarm is just going off as loud as it can go. Now we're going to connect it to the car and see if it does anything else. Okay, now it's connected to the iPod. Connection unsuccessful. Okay, let me try again. Yeah, it is. It's connected. Toyota Highlander. So now we have, basically we're XM radio is on, but we also have the Bluetooth audio switched on. Now let's switch that back off. Right, we're going to switch it off on the iPod. Gets better. Let's switch it off. Switch the Wi-Fi off as well. And you can see, even though Wi-Fi is off and Bluetooth are off, on the iPod, it's still, the alarm is still going off. But the iPod isn't outputting anything, supposedly, right? Well, let's power it clear off. Let's shut it clear down. And watch what happens. It is basically a microwave oven on wheels, as you can tell. Okay, that's all I had.